I've booked tickets today for somewhere called Washington Wetlands. I think it's kind of nature reserve kind of place. Someone at work told us about it, that I speak about like nature stuff all of the time, and it just sounded good, otters and stuff like that. For the five of it, it costs us £46.75, which I think is pretty good, you know, for a family ticket. So yeah, let's go to Washington Wetlands.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
You know how you got like two? Here.
Come here, baby boy.
Hello. Oh God.
This one. See this lake?
I'm with you.
It's you?
Where are they?
I mean, I'm not. I used to try the little one. No, you can.
Along the river.
There's Stephen.
Can you see him? Yeah. Go find him. You got a feed for someone.
I would highly recommend coming to Washington Wetlands. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm having the best time. You can kind of go around like the inside bit and have a look at, you know, all of like the ducks and the pink flamingos and stuff like that. But then if you go off track and then you go around all of the outskirts, it's beautiful. There's so much to see. The kids absolutely love it. I would 100% recommend coming here with your family. I would actually even come back here on my own. Like, totally fine. I would come with a camera. There was a woman taking pictures actually. It's just a really beautiful place, so highly recommend it.